Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to focus on play versus strategy function in TexasSolverGPU. So in order to play versus strategy, first you will have to need a strategy in place. So in order to do that, let's go to quick start and choose a random line and choose a random flop card and build G and run. So now the solution is created. Let's go show result. So you can see the strategy here. So after the strategy is created, you can play versus it. We can click this button. So when you enter play versus strategy window, a random hand is dealt for you. So you can see your OOP here, and you can see your range, and you can see the opponent's range. If you're not satisfied with your rule, you can start over again. Let's say you select IP. Okay, now you have a you're playing as NP player and you are dealt hand. So let's see what happens here. So the opponent checks. So what do we do? I think, I don't want to see recommendations here, so I'll cross this. So I think we should be betting here, right? So we bet. Okay, the opponent folded. So in this hand, we're doing okay. I mean, we should be betting here because we have the range advantage and we have the position advantage. So if we're not sure about what to do, we can click view here. So okay, our hand should be playing betting, yeah. So let's do another hand. Okay, that's a very good hand. Double K, betting. Okay, opponent is folding again. Let's do another hand. Betting. Okay, opponent is calling. So what do we do here? Our opponent is checking, which means he probably have not that strong of hand, and we don't either. So let's check. Okay, let's say if we bluff a little bit here to see if we can scare him away. Okay, now he's gone. So the all the decision we're making is considered GTO. Let's see what if we play like last GTO. We check here and we bet here and we like bluff here. Okay, now we are off GTO, as you can see. This hand is marked off GTO, and we can find where we're making those mistakes. So here in the turn, there's a warning here that there's a mistake. We should be checking. Let's see what's going on. So we're holding AQ. You can see in the AQ tab, we should almost check 100%, almost 100%. And we can see how many EV we're losing. So 2.86, and betting is 2.83, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So we're losing a little bit of EV here. So we can correct that by not playing, not betting here. So we can do this over and over again until we learn all the tricks of this solution. So you can always go to previous hands to check your strategy, to check where have you been doing wrong, where have you been doing right. I personally find it very interesting to play versus strategy, and the advantage of GPU solver is that you can do this like real quick. You don't need to spend as much time solving, like wait 10 minutes, 15 minutes for the result. The result is almost instantaneous. And you can play it kind of like a game. I find it a little bit addictive. Yes, a little bit addictive when you have a solution and just playing against it all afternoon. Yeah, I like that. So this is all I have on the play versus strategy function here. I hope you enjoy this solver and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave those questions in the comment section down below. If you want to download this solver, please also check the comment section in this video. I hope you enjoy this video. In the next video, I'll be talking about batch solver. Bye.